In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your browser history in the new Safari. So this is the latest version where they have the search bar down here at the bottom. It's kind of confusing and hard to navigate and difficult to find things like your search history. What you want to do is tap the three dots on the bottom right. This is going to open up a menu for you. The primary things you can do here is go to your tabs and bookmarks. You want to tap on the bookmarks one. Now this is going to open up another menu for you. It'll show some of your favorites, a reading list, and then your history on the right. This will list it by day. And to delete your history, you just want to swipe left on this and then tap delete. Then it will be completely gone. If we go back here, you'll see that there's just nothing there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.